Aeronautical Society of India and the IEEE and INCOS, the International Society for Systems Engineering, they are coming together to organize a 2-day event on the safety critical systems using the artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. Major players like Collins, Boeing, and Honeywell, and also the MathWorks. And there are many learned people and experts in the field, both from India and abroad, are participating, including our scientific advisor, Dr. Satish Reddy, and others who are well known in the field. And now we have the participants drawn from both India and abroad, from the multinational companies and also the original equipment manufacturers and many others, both the researchers and the students. So I wish the conference all success and thank you for joining in this major 2-day event. All the best to you.
I am glad to know that INCOS India, IEEE Systems Council, and AESI Bangalore have organized an international symposium on artificial intelligence and machine learning in safety critical systems on 21st and 22nd of October 2021. Both the artificial intelligence and machine learning are the future of technology and are redefining and reshaping the future mankind as well. I am glad that next 2 days, various experts will be discussing on various aspects of artificial intelligence and machine learning, like modeling and design, certifications, and regulatory aspects. AESI Bangalore branch is one of the most dynamic branches of AESI India, and they have been making very significant contribution towards the growth of aerospace and aeronautics in India. I wish the symposium all the success.